This is part of the solar system, and this is the Earth, our home. Well, not drawn to scale. Normally, the sun emits light that will reach the Earth, providing us with light and warmth. Part of the energy will be trapped in the atmosphere to keep the Earth warm. The humans, inhabitants of the Earth, initiated industrialization. This process resulted in excess amount of greenhouse gases acting as a blanket, trapping more heat. The Earth will be like this. This is global warming. Global warming has many devastating effects. Environmentally, it causes glaciers in the Arctic to melt, changing habitats, thus affecting animal population. Take this cute polar bear for example. This is before. This is after, when the glaciers melt and crack. More polar bears die. Besides the loss of biodiversity, the melting of glaciers causes global sea levels to rise. This will affect coastal regions, especially the coastal plantations and agricultural farms. Rising sea levels may lead to desalination or soil erosion by carrying away the topsoil, therefore making the land barren. Agricultural productivity hence decreases due to the infertile land caused by the desalination or soil erosion. In the short run, this will lead to a fall in the aggregate supply of agricultural products. As such, the amount of output available to the public will decrease. This causes the short-run aggregate supply curve, or SRAS, to shift to the left, while the current level of aggregate demand remains the same. This leads to a situation where global demand exceeds global supply, which causes an upward pressure in price. Thus, the equilibrium price of the agricultural good will increase. This is called a supply shock, whereby an unplanned or abrupt increase or decrease in the supply of a particular good causes a sudden change in the equilibrium price of a good. This inflation of goods, which was indirectly caused by global warming, will have an enormous impact on our lives, as all agricultural products are necessities for human beings to live. Certain agricultural products, like corn, are used to produce many other derivatives of goods, such as biofuels, batteries, and even cosmetics. Therefore, an inflation in the price of agricultural products will inevitably cause an inflation in the general price of other related goods too. Other than rise in sea levels and floods, global warming also creates unpredictable natural disasters such as hurricanes or tornadoes. When these natural disasters hit a country's infrastructures, the productivity capacity of the country decreases. Many jobs will be displaced as a result of natural disasters, and more money will be spent to offset the wear and tear caused by the disasters. Thus, a high opportunity cost is incurred, and national income, or GDP, also decreases due to a higher unemployment rate and lower productive capacity caused by these disasters. In light of these terrible effects caused by global warming, we have to help save the Earth by reducing the amount of carbon emissions. If we do not make a socially responsible effort to save our Earth, the end of humanity will arrive sooner than we think.